Sewer inspection for 636 Lake Washington Boulevard East. We're out almost 90 feet. We think this is the connection to the city main. We're unable to get back past this point. It appears like the connection may be broken, but all we can see is standing water, and like I said, we can't get the camera through this access point. It shows that the sewer runs across the street and connects into the main, which is right next to Pagliacci Pizza. The main's probably 20 to 25 feet deep. We'll pull back now and inspect the rest of the line. It's a large offset, somewhat of a break here, just downstream of our excavation as well. This is in concrete sewer pipe.